Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a TaoTronics space heater, anything that has a remote control, like the HE003 or other ones, and the remote control is not working. What very might just need to be happening is you need to just replace the batteries. They don't last forever, and especially if it's been, a year since you've changed them, you might want to go ahead and change them, and it's super easy to do. You just need two AAA batteries. If you don't have those batteries, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get them for cheap and free shipping. But anyways, all we're going to do is on our controller, we're just going to come in on the back, and you'll see at the bottom half there's these lines here. We're just going to put our finger there, push, and then the cover will slide off and it will reveal the little battery case. You can just pop out the old batteries and then put the two new AAA batteries in with the pointy end, the positive end, down on the left side and up on the right side. So down on the left side, up on the right side. And once you do that, you can just put this cover on, slide it back on, and that's all there is to it. So if this helped, if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.